Adding a defect integration for your Rally connection in your qTest project is very simple. First, what you want to do is add defect type in the right corner. So if I click on Add Defect Type, this is going to ask me, and I can zoom in here, make it a little easier to see. This is going to ask me which project in my Rally instance that I'm wanting to connect my defects from, or to. So I can be able to have that two-way connection of the items in qTest being linked to my defects in Rally, as well as creating new defects that will go right into my Rally instance. What this is asking is which projects in Rally am I wanting to sort of connect to? And you can connect to more than one, but I can pick any of these projects here, and then it's going to ask me the object type, which is defect, and then I just hit OK. So what we'll do here is notice that there are two different workspaces that I'm connected to for my defects. Okay. So next, what you'll want to do is save your connection because we've made a change. And then what we want to do is go ahead and fetch our defects. Now what's really nice is it does say that this will continue in the background. So if you have a very heavy instance in Rally, you have quite many defects in there, it would be really good to just go ahead and navigate away, and then you can sort of come back in a few minutes and sort of continue what you're doing.